Kelsey-Kisses with you today, and I'm on a walk today because the weather is really nice. And so you see these two guys over here are like starting to follow me, but like I'm sure they're nice, so I'm gonna just play it cool. So it's Kelsey here again, and I have to take my heels off from Topshop because these guys are following me. Okay, so like I'm hiding now. I ran away from them, like it's not like they're gonna kill me or something, right? So,
In breaking news today, a dead person was found on the corner of Rutherford Street at 8 a.m. in the morning. Police are investigating the crime scene right now. More information on the situation from Stacy McBottom. Stacy?
well, Paul, it's a quite a peaceful and calm afternoon here at Rutherford Street, where, unfortunately, Kelsey-Kisses was found dead on that sidewalk this morning. The cause of death is still unknown as the authorities are trying to investigate this crime. The only thing found at the crime scene is this white substance. And today, I need to find out what that is. In order to solve this crime, I am joined today by two forensic experts that are going to help me find the killers by the name of
Sylvester Silicone and Neil Boron.
Very nice to meet you guys. So, one of you guys tell me, what are forensic scientists and what is it exactly that you do?
Well, forensic scientists are scientists who work and apply science to criminal and civil laws. We use our science backgrounds to work with authorities to help criminal investigations. We collect, preserve, and analyze scientific evidence during the course of an investigation. Some forensic scientists travel to the scene of the crime to collect the evidence themselves. Others occupy a laboratory role, performing analysis on objects brought to them by individuals. Me and my buddy here do all of the above.
Wow, that is very interesting, sir. Now, sir, what do you have to say?
Oh my god. It might be a little complicated to explain everything right now. When we get back to I'll have to explain everything.
So now I'm back in the gentleman's laboratory. I was wondering, what methods do you guys use on your collected evidence?
Well, as an introduction, I'd like you to meet my sister. She's been with us for 3 years. Say hi. So to begin, a method of identification is called non-hydrogen fingerprinting. This fingerprint identification method includes the use of a chemical called ninhydrin. Ninhydrin is a chemical that is often dissolved in a solvent, mainly ethanol. Porous surfaces such as paper are typically processed with chemicals such as ninhydrin. These chemicals react with specific components of latent print residue such as amino acids and inorganic salts. Ninhydrin causes prints to turn purple color, which makes them easily photographed.
This occurs as ninhydrin reacts with amino acids like oils that are left with the fingerprints in order to show them in a blue or purple color. Ninhydrin degrades amino acids into aldehydes, ammonia, and carbon dioxide through a series of reactions. The ninhydrin then condenses with ammonia and hydrodentin to produce a blue or purple pigment.
The problem with spraying dihydrid is that sometimes the fume hood is not able to get rid of all the particles. These microscopic particles may not be effectively removed by the fume hood. Since dihydrid reacts with amino acids, any exposure to your body, especially to your eyes and your lungs, can have serious results.
Incredible! You guys have the most fun jobs in the world!
Now, Assistant Carbon Monoxide, tell me, what is a mass spectrometer? Well, a mass spectrometer is a device that turns atoms into ions, electrically charged atoms with either too few or too many electrons. Then it separates the ions by passing them through an electric field, then through a magnetic field. So they fall out into a spectrum. A computerized detector tallies the ions into different parts of the spectrum, and then you can use the information to figure out what kind of atoms were originally in the sample. It basically works like this. Ionization. The atom or molecule is ionized by knocking one or more electrons off to give a positive ion.
Acceleration. All ions accelerate to have the same kinetic energy. Deflection. The ions are then deflected by a magnetic field according to their masses.
Detection. The beam of ions passing through the machine is detected electrically. When an ion hits the metal box inside the spectrometer, its charge is neutralized by an electron jumping from the metal onto the ion.
So that's all the time we have right now, but we're gonna get back to you after a commercial break. So the results are finally in, and it turned out that the powdered stuff is just powdered sugar. I thought it was gonna be something. Hold up!